Oh, I wanna ask Manny to join us. He's calling me right now.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me add Manny Marinay. Okay, so be here tomorrow for our raffle. Where's Manny? I can't find him. Okay, be here tomorrow. Chandela, can you tell them about it while I'm adding Manny?
Yeah, so Tonzi, PM mo ko sa Skype about that prize you want to contribute. Okay, so guys, this podcasting is for you. You know, yung effort namin ni G dito and the whole team, this is all for you. You know, to give you entertainment and intelligent talk and good music all at the same time.
Okay. Thank you, Chandela.
Oh?
I'm trying to call Manny now. Hey, Manny.
Yeah, I can hear you, yes.
You're live.
Yeah.
Oh my
This is
God.
Chandela.
Becky, I'm really sorry for the delay.
And then, Manny, this is not your
Oh.
this is not your podcast yet. We're just trying to, get to know you and get the audience to know you better, This is Chandela, by the way, my co-host.
Hi,
Manny.
Manny.
Hi, Manny.
I'm the...
Manny, si Chandela, isang malaking fan mo.
Yeah, I'm Kat. You know, yung nag-comment sa post mo about the gay lingo I translated in Tagalog. Yeah.
I'm panic. Ganyan talaga pag walang ginagawa Nagpe-Facebook na lang. Kasi
Hey, Manny. Manny, may tanong ako.
Yes.
Are you accepting our invitation to be a broadcaster sa podcast natin?
Kung sa pagtanggap lang, walang problema kasi kilala na kita, no? Saka, ewan ko, ngayon lang kasi ako magaganito. Alam, I'm not really techie. I'm so yesterday. So, parang this is something new. So, parang I'm excited. Alam mo yun? Ganun yung feeling.
Actually, you're doing it right now All you need is Skype. Kami nang bahala sa technology.
Saan?
Kami nang bahala sa technology. All you need is Skype.
You take care of the technology. Kahit anong ipagawa mo sa akin, okay lang.
Yes.
So, Manny, interviewin kita, ha?
Sure.
Ano ba mga topic na you're passionate about?
Ako, mas gusto ko yung topic about relationships.
Oh,
Wow.
Yes.
Mas talagang relationship. Hindi kasi, well, mas maganda yung about gay relationships, tapos konting politics and entertainment.
Yan. Chandela, may tanong ka kay Manny?
Alam mo, wala na akong tanong kasi binabasa ko yung kanyang Facebook page and it's there. You know?
No?
Ang hinahope ko lang, G, is to be given the privilege to go on air with him.
Of course.
Yes,
No problem.
that's really what I'm excited about. Yeah.
Manny, I'm gonna ask you.
Yes.
Of course, marami kang followers sa Facebook na yung mga post mo, very interesting. Meron ka rin ba mga hate mail na natatanggap? Mga haters.
Gusto nila meron ako ng fan page pangalan Mean Manny
Yeah, tama yun.
But that's a good idea.
It's a good idea, Manny. Create a fan page for yourself, and then, make yourself a brand. Yeah.
Kasi
actually, G.
Yes, Kat.
Actually, Manny and G, that's a good, good title for your podcast, Mean Manny.
Oo, kasi
Diba?
kasi ako talaga, whatever I feel and I think, sinasabi ko lang talaga. So, normal na sa akin yung parang, alam mo, maisip ko, ganito yung nangyayari. So, sasabihin ko kagad yon. Kung ano yung nababasa mo, yun lang talaga yon.
Mm-hmm.
So it's raw, right?
It's raw. Saka yun talaga yung experience ko lang, Jerry. Ewan ko, biglang hindi naman talaga ako active sa sa social media. Kaya lang, after the elections, parang sabi ko, napaka-effective pala na tool, na-realize ko. So, nag-active ako sa FB. Tapos na-discover ko rin. Alam mo naman na funny ako, pero hindi ko alam na funny din pala ako kapag yung thought ko, inano ko na, ipinost ko, isinulat ko.
Alam mo yung mga post mo, Manny, pwedeng i-compile into a coffee table book, you know?
Sobra ka, Jerry, ha?
Hindi totoo, walang biro to. Oh.
Saka na lang pag meron na tayo magfa-fun. Uy, kumusta kayo dyan?
So, Manny, I haven't seen you for years. So, anong pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon?
Ngayon, I'm doing some consultancy work for mga ilang corporate, tapos may konting politiko. Preparing for 2016 actually.
Wow, that's great. Yeah.
Kasi nandun yung PEPA, 2016. Pero, syempre, I won't be like Napoles naman, 'di ba? Hindi naman ako maggaganyan. Grabe. Alam mo
ano ba dapat gawin kay Napoles, Manny?
Tomorrow rally ha, sa Ayala.
Oh, tomorrow. Pupunta ka, Manny?
Ay, hindi ako, Jerry, alam mo, hindi ako sumasama sa mga gano'n.
Bakit?
Unang-unang init, 'di ba?
Okay.
Ang init. Tapos, nung gagawin ko doon, ang dami-dami nagsasalita. Ang dami nagpapapansin. 'Di ba?
Oh.
Hindi ako tipo ng ganoon eh. Hindi ako talaga sa mga gano'n. No. Yung kahit sabihin nila na meron akong sariling mundo. Hindi ko talaga type na pumunta sa mga gano'n, Jerry.
Oh, okay. Pero nakita kita minsan, nasa microphone ka eh. Sa isang rally.
Ayun lang yun kasi kung makikita mo, kung nandito ka sa Pilipinas, makikita mo na yung mga organizers din, hindi mo alam kung kaninong grupo, Jerry.
Sobrang dami.
Yung nakita mo sa FB ko, that's really true. Kasi nung unang rally yun. Nandun ako sa Bulacan, merong konting gathering doon, ako yung nagsalita. Pero, itong mga past weeks, makikita mo yung kulay ng mga organizers, alam mo na merong perang umiikot. Pero hindi mo alam kung kanino.
Alright.
So, kung sasama ko doon, hindi ko alam kasi talaga kung sino kilala ko yung mga nag-organize. Kaya lang, there's something parang meron ako nararamdaman na parang nagiging bayaran yung iba. Hindi naman lahat.
Oh. Okay.
Nakakatakot.
That's interesting.
Interesting, no? Yung mga nag-organize, parang tawag dito, yung iba mga shady yung character.
Yeah. I mean, I can relate to that.
Diba? Mahirap lang pero nakaka-frustrate lang. Nakaka-frustrate lang. Parang ginawa nilang isang PR job yung
Yeah. May tanong ka, Shandela?
Yeah, kasi I'm reading the chat box. Ang sabi ni guest 254, I'm listening. Say hi to Money for me, please. Hi daw, Money. Sabi ni 254. And sabi ni Tonsi, si 254, I don't know kung sino tong si 254. Sabi niya, I miss Manny. Siguro kilala mo po ito.
Sino kaya siya? Say hi to her.
Sabi ni Tonsi.
Yeah, and sabi ni Tonsi, Manny is our host for the Tonight with Tonsi show every Saturday. Sabi ni Tonsi, sana minsan pwede ko siyang maging co-host.
Yan, may mga followers kagad ako?
Of course.
And G, have you read the latest status of Manny? Like,
Let me
ano
see,
yung,
let me see.
yung porky ng ano? Porky ng nanyo.
Porky.
Ano?
No?
Oo, porky ng nanyo. Perfect.
Yeah, porky ninyo. It's a gay, it's a gay, I have my own gayster dictionary. Yung una kong nose, Jerry and Kat, yung Porkilon.
Yeah, Porkilon.
Was Senate President Franklin Drilon.
Yes.
Oo, tapos
Porkilon.
sabi ko lang, pwede din palang sundan pa. So, yesterday, I thought of posting yung, this morning pala, porky ng ina nyo.
Yeah.
So, it's puro, sorry ha. Meron bang censorship dyan?
Wala.
Actually, Manny, we had a podcast about that yung porky ng ina nyo. We talk about sana pala natama natin.
Kat sabihin mo nga ng mga 3 beses, tingnan ko lang kung anong feeling.
Porky ng ina nyo, di ba? Masarap siya sabihin
Oh my God.
actually, mga porky ng ina nyo dyan.
Nakakainis lang talaga Kung narito kayo sa Pilipinas, mararamdaman nyo yung pagkabwiset. Yung parang, oh my God, nagpapakahirap pa yung magtrabaho. Tapos itong mga walang hiyang politiko na to, nakaw ng pera.
Oo.
Nakakainis, Jerry. Nakakainis talaga.
Alam ko yan, Nani. At alam mo, muntik na ako mag-NPA dahil dyan eh.
Teka, ba't yung ginawa?
Kaya lang, sabi ko, sayang naman ang kagwapuhan ko. Anyway.
Oo, talaga. Hindi ka na makaka-chicks pag NPA ka.
Ayun na, lagot ka, G.
Ay, Manny.
Barangay,
Napunta ako sa Facebook mo, profile mo.
Parang isa lang dapat yung maging jowa mo eh. Hindi ko alam. Diba? Then my latest gayster lingo, yung artistic.
Okay. Ano yun?
Artistic. Feigning sickness, Jerry. Remember, nagiging sakit na yun ng mga politiko. Kapag may na-discover na scandal, dadalhin sa ospital, nagkakasakit. Diba?
Yeah.
They sickness. Nagkakasakit sila, tumataas ang BP, shot up ang blood pressure, kung ano-anong nararamdaman sa katawan, di ba? So, artistic from the word arte. Artistic. Parang, hi, artistic. Parang ganyan.
Ang galing mo talaga, Manny.
No,
Inimbento mo yan? Yung word na yan?
Nakikita mo na?
Oo. Inimbento mo yan?
Oo. Yeah, inimbento ko lang siya. Ano lang? Nasa bahay lang naman ako ngayon eh. Ano mo na?
Yung Manny, nagpunta ako sa Facebook page mo.
Yeah.
Nakita ko yung...
Ganito pala, nakipag-usap ka sa Skype? Pardon me,
Ganyan
pero first time ko to, and natuwa na ako yung nakausap ko pa yung kaibigan ko.
Ito, artistic.
Artistic yan, di ba?
Oo. Pero Manny, hindi mo pa ako kinonfirm, ha?
Ay, kukonfirm kita. I'm really sorry. Diyos ko. Kukonfirm kita ngayon maya. Gaya na sumikat tong Pinoy podcast, no?
Yeah. With just 1 month, Manny.
Jerry, pioneer ba to?
Well, pioneer, I think, doon sa daily, pagiging daily niya. Pero marami na tayong podcaster na Filipino, pero I'm just trying to make something na like a group of shows naka-network together, helping each other.
Jerry, paano to? How do you guys earn from this?
Well, we don't make money yet, but we hope to get advertising and sponsors.
Sige, yeah. Let's get para bongga. Kasi sayang, di ba? Para ma-survive yung business, we have to have funds, di ba?
Of course, yeah. Kasi meron tayong cost sa technology. Of
Correct.
course, yung time natin.
Oo.
Right? Uh-huh. Mhm.
Ay, nako, kailangan talaga magtulungan. Kailangan pasikatin natin to, Jerry. Kat.
Of course, Manny.
Yeah,
And,
of course, with your help.
Pasikatin to. Kung sabihin nyo lang kung ano dapat kong gawin, ha? Kung kailangan natin maging controversial, we'll do that.
We are already.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi,
Pero Manny,
parang,
ha?
Di ba ganyan naman?
I'm looking at your
Yes, dear.
Facebook page and ang unang bumulaga sa akin dito. Wow! Your daddy.
You see my boyfriend? Yeah. That's my partner.
Your kryptonite.
My partner, he's guwapo, no?
Yeah. Guwapo, Manny. Ang hair mo.
Sayang naman yung
Tarush
ano.
ka,
diba?
tarush. Wala akong masabi.
Ay,
May
Kat,
ako
ako,
masasabi.
katwiran ko kasi, Jerry, Kat, no? Ang katwiran ko kasi, magbabayad na rin lang ako ng lalaki, di yung gwapo na.
Nagpapayad din ako.
Kat, kasi yung resources, di ba? Yung financial resources, di gamitin mo na dun sa masisiyahan ka. Dapat yung mapiplease naman yung mata ko.
Oh, tama naman yan. Oh, you work hard, di ba?
Of course.
Manny,
Yes.
warning lang. Bantayan mo yung papa mo. Aagawin ni Kat yan.
Hoy! No, Manny, huwag ka maniwala dyan.
Ha?
Jerry,
Huwag ka
years
maniwala
na
dyan.
ko yan.
Years? Oh.
Years.
Wow.
Manny, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Oh,
Pero meron ka bang mga kumare na nag-attempt na agawin siya?
actually, Jerry, yung post ko na yon, hindi ko yung experience. Experience siya ng kumari ko na nag-PM sa akin one time. Sabi niya, Mare, may chismis ako si kumpare mo, inaagaw ng kumare ko.
Wow.
Mm.
So, para naman direkta na sa kanya, pinost ko yan.
Okay.
Pero, Jerry, maraming ganyan, ha? Maraming
Talaga?
ganyan. Ako talaga, promise talaga, Kat, ha? Ako, warning ko lang sa inyo. Jerry, hindi na sa'yo to kay Kat. Jerry, Kat, yung mga kumare mo, naku, mag-ingat ka. If ever na may boyfriend or asawa na.
Agawin pa rin?
Nakakatakot kasi. Alam mo, iba na ngayon yung panahon.
Mm.
Oh, Manny, iba na talaga yung manok nga na nakatali, nanakaw pa, di ba?
Oo, iba na. Yung, kaya,
Pero
mahirap
Manny, hindi naman ako nangaagaw, Manny.
Yes.
Hindi ako nangaagaw. Nanghihiram lang ako. So, sorry ko din.
Ay, pwede yan. Maganda yung ganyan attitude. Yung, kumbaga, manghihiram ka lang sandali o kaya makiraan ka lang.
Oo. Makikitikim lang.
Ako ganyan, nakikitikim ako, nakikiraan lang ako. Pero wala akong intention na maging joke. Hello? I mean, let's face it, ang daming ganyan. Ay, ako rin naman ganyan minsan, diba? Hello? Sharing natatawa. May ginagawa ka na ba?
Hindi kasi, Manny, I'm just so happy to hear your voice kasi it's been years eh. You know.
It's been years, Jerry.
Namiss na kita, Manny. Alam mo ba? Alam mo?
Well, lalo ka na, no? The last time we saw each other, ilang years? Parang 10 years na yata, Jerry?
More than 10 years.
Poor pa tayo nun, di ba? Now we're rich.
hanggang naman ngayon, poor pa rin ako eh.
Naku, ano sa'yo? Ay, basta ako rich ako.
Kita-kita naman eh. Rich ka sa love and blessings.
Anong oras dyan? No?
It's 10 a.m. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, Manny.
Paano nyo nag-gauge yung...
I see. Okay, you have a question?
Yeah. How do you gauge the listenership, the audience?
Well, we have stats on number of followers, number of plays that yung mga pagpi-play nung audio player.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos we have stats on number of site visitors.
Okay.
So we have a way of knowing kung ano yung reach ng isang episode.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So, let's set up your first episode. And
Okay, just
you're using a tablet, right? Manny? Okay, that's good.
Pero bibili ako ng mic, sabi mo bili ako.
Yeah, I mean, microphone is good also. So, Manny, let's talk about your first episode. May laptop ka?
May laptop ako. Ito na, sa harap ko na, nakinuha ko.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Tapos
So,
yung mic dito kung paano.
i-set up natin yung first
Schedule.
episode mo. Tapos, let's give your show a name. Like,
Ikaw.
Mean Manny.
Mean Manny?
Pwede.
Pwede rin yan, And then, I'm going to create a web page for you. Like,
Sure.
podcastpilipinas.com. What?
Kailangan ba ng picture ko?
Of course.
No na.
Give me your picture. Yeah. Wow.
Manny, sabi ni 254, long years. I miss you too, Manny.
Yan.
I don't know who's 254.
Maraming followers si Manny. Marami siyang kaibigan. Kasi, he's a very friendly person, you know?
No, at saka all over yung mga di ba? Alam mo na mga Pinoy ngayon, di ba? Lahat ng classic ko, mga late 80s, nasa abroad. So they message me Facebook. I-announce ko ito sa FB, Jerry. Can you,
Yeah, announce mo. We will...
Kung paano yung,
Yes, sige.
Side yung paano.
Okay. Manny, meron ka ba gustong sabihin? I'm gonna give you all the time to say anything. And then we're gonna end the episode. Okay.
Yes.
Meron ka bang gustong sabihin? A message or may gustong batiin? Anyway, anything.
Ako lang ang gusto ko. Wala akong babatian, Jerry. Ang gusto ko lang na i-congratulate kayo, Kat, at ikaw, for dahil dito sa Pinoy podcast na to. Ako nararamdaman ko talaga, walang chika to ha. Nararamdaman ko, pag magtatagumpay to, naramdaman ko, feeling ko talaga magiging mayaman kayo.
Thank you, Manny.
Feeling ko talaga, if there's anything I can do, marketing, advertising, you just have to tell me, guys. Pero feeling ko sobrang bubongga at sita to, Jerry. This is tamang-tama talaga to.
Yes. Thank you, Manny. And
to get the right people, tamang timpla, tamang utak,
yes.
Get the craziest people, get them.
Yeah, the craziest people.
Yung mga kataulo talaga.
Manny, maraming salamat sa oras mo.
Thank you. Thank you, Jerry.
Yes.
Thank you.
Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
And,
see you soon, guys.
And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, Manny? Maraming salamat.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Good night.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night, Manny.
That was Manny Marinay, our new podcaster, and medyo malabo yung linya, pero I think you can hear him well naman. So, Manny Marinay is gonna be a new podcaster, a very interesting person, very friendly, and very vocal person. So, expect a lot from him. And Shandala,
Yeah.
your impressions.
Oh, this is going to be exciting.
Yeah.
Really, I'm really excited. And tama siya dun sa gut feel niya. Yung pareho kami ng intuition. You know, we have this women intuition, kami ni Manny. Now we're going to make this big, you know.
Okay,
And
yes.
kapit bisig.
Yes. Basta, we need your help, guys. Without you, this won't be possible. So, Shandala, do you have your piece before I say my ending?
Okay, so tonight, binalikan natin yung mga past episodes natin dito sa Pinoy Podcast, and we just can't thank you enough, guys, for always being there every night. Alam namin na meron din kayo mga ginagawa dyan sa mga bahay nyo, sa mga buhay nyo. You tend to be busy then at times, but still you still find time to listen to us, if not live, through our replays and by participating sa connecting sa mga pages natin and sa mga websites natin, and we are very thankful. And I hope magsama pa tayong na matagal. You know, we're all in this together, so kudos to us. G.
All right, that was Chandela of the G and Chandela Show, and this is G. I'm just gonna leave you with a message of thanks, hope, and I would like to invite you to join us in this new journey as we face our challenges and try to be successful in everything we do. Alright guys, so have a good night sa mga nasa Pilipinas and good morning sa mga nasa US, and also have a good day sa mga Pilipino nasa ibang parts ng mundo. Thank you for listening to the Pinoy Podcast. This is G and Chandela Show. Thank you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
It's G and Chandela on the podcast. It's G and Chandela on Pinoy Podcast.
Rasta man.